And prior to modern medicine, we're talking about 500 years ago or so, all doctors had to work with were plants. And of course, even modern medicine is still largely plant-based. That's where a lot of the most important healing agents come from.
Actually, a lot of plants that we have here are from the east of Europe.
That's excellent. Well, this is a wonderful education garden, and it's a great opportunity for people in the community, or people from all over the world, to come see what medicinal plants would have been used at that point in time.
So here we have the horseradish. It's a quite important medical plant. Actually, they use the roots. It's now flowering. You see on the flowers, it's a family of the Brassicaceae.
Right?
How do you call
Brassicaceae.
it? Brassicaceae. It's important for vitamin C. In the medieval, there were diseases like they take the root and they shape it in little, and it's a strong taste.
Right, it's a wonderful culinary plant. I mean, horseradish is seen in many sauces, and this is a very important family. So broccoli, kale, many of the leafy greens that we eat, and as you said, because it's very high in antioxidants, and of course it's very pungent. So for respiratory type illnesses, and just as an antioxidant, high in vitamin C. So right, it would have been very important along with citrus in the fight against scurvy.